mad because now work will start the best.
Just come down.
Oh, cannot talk about the man, you're mad.
Just come down now.
No talk about the man, no talk about the man, the craze. Ah, wait, this is wahala.
What are you hollering?
Mama, keep quiet.
What
Keep quiet.
Keep quiet?
I have respect for elderly people, but don't fuck up.
What is keep quiet?
Keep quiet, madam, keep quiet.
What is keep quiet, my friend? Who are you?
If I sneeze, don't your business.
Why should you
You are mad, you are mad.
When you're in a
This is wahala.
Don't do it.
Please, it's enough. Let us live in peace.
I can see they say how they want to arrest me. For what?
Who's going to want to arrest you?
For junction, no.